Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. A charged belt 50 centimeter wide travels at 30 meter per second between a source of the charged electrons and a sphere. The belt carries charge into the sphere at the rate corresponding to 76 microampere. Here the first question is compute the surface charge density on the belt, and the second question is what is the number density, number per unit area of the electrons on the belt. So let us try to understand what is given in the question. This is the belt. This is the belt which is carrying some charged tube. This is the roller on which it is rotating. Here a source is given. Here is the source, and this source transfers the charges through this belt to the sphere kept here. So the key concept of the question is surface charge density. Surface charge density, which can be defined as charge per unit area. This is the surface charge density. Now let us solve the question. Start the question. Here in the question number 1, we are given compute the surface charge density. So we need to find out what is the surface charge density, that is Q by A. Let us write the value given in the question. Here we are given the width of the belt equal to 50 centimeter, which can be written as 0.5 meter, and the current is equal to 76 microampere, which can be written as 76 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ampere. The velocity of the belt is given as 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second. Let us write the formula of the surface charge density, sigma equal to Q by A. If we multiply numerator and denominator by time t, Q upon T into T upon A. Here A can be written as Q upon T into T upon A can be written as width into the length of the belt. Now let us write. Here we can write Q by T as I current. So the sigma equal to I upon width can be written as it is width, and the length by time can be written as the velocity. So let us put the value. Value of I is given as 76 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ampere upon width is given as 0.5 meter, and the velocity is given as 30 meter per second. If we solve this, we will get the value of sigma as 5.067 into 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb meter square. So this is the answer, 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb per meter square. This is the answer of question A. Now let us read the question B. Here in the question, we need to find out the number density, which is equal to number per unit area, number of the electrons. So let us solve the question B over here. So sigma can be written as Q upon A. Total charge can be written as total number of electrons into the charge of one electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb upon area. Here we need to find out the number of electrons per unit area. So we need to find out the number per unit area. It can be written as sigma upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. This is number density. Number density equal to, let us put the value of sigma, that is 5.067 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon the value of charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. Here the unit of the sigma is coulomb per meter square, and the charge is Coulomb. 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 Coulomb. If we solve this, we will get the value of number density. Number density equal to 3.1625 into 10 raised to power plus 13 per meter square. This is the answer of question B. So our final answer is for the question number A, it is sigma equal to 5.067 into 10 raised to power minus 6 Coulomb per meter square, and for the question number B, it is equal to number density is equal to 3.1625 into 10 raised to power plus 13 per meter square. Thank you so much.